What's going on, everyone? This is the Fly Zone Elite Goggle. This is Fly's flagship goggle, and it's bringing you a hard injection molded lens as well as a soft, flexible frame that's going to give you more of a custom feel when it comes to fit. This is an awesome goggle and definitely needs to make it on your short list if you're looking for a great goggle for on the motocross track or out on the trail. Now, when we start talking about this goggle, we've got to start off with this injection molded lens. I love injection molded lenses because they bring a ton of different benefits. One, they're stronger and more scratch resistant, but they're also more clear and don't distort your vision as much as the old flexible lenses that they replaced. When it comes to getting an injection molded lens, generally you're spending a lot more than what this goggle comes in to get it. This is a great price point buy when it comes to wanting that injection molded lens. When it comes to Fly's injection molded lens, they do a couple things that are very cool. They give you a nice film that is both scratch resistant as well as anti-fogging. This is going to make it so that you're going to be resisting fog when it's those slight, slow, technical trail rides, as well as that anti-scratch film is going to make it so that you get the most life out of your goggle lens. Now, Fly has these lenses in a number of different colors, so if you're wanting to get a different colorway for a different look, you've got that as well. Now, they also have tear-off posts that come standard on these. So for your motocross use, this is ready to have those tear-offs thrown onto it and ready for track play. Now, when we talk about moving over from this lens to the frame, this was something that actually I was a little surprised with when I first started pulling this goggle apart and playing with it. This frame is super flexible. It's easy to move around and fold, and most of the stability that this goggle is giving you is because of the lens. When it comes to the frame, they made it very, very soft, so this is going to help mold to your face a lot better when you're pulling this goggle on, giving you more of that custom fit. Now, you do also have these harder outriggers right here for your strap to make sure that you're getting the best fitment inside of your helmet. You also have a hard nose protector that is also removable. So if you're running into a fitment issue between your goggle and the bridge or nose of your helmet, you can remove this nice and easy. Now, the next thing that we've got to talk about is this strap. This is a 45 millimeter wide strap, and they've got some very cool colorways to pick from when you're looking at both your strap and your frame. On the back side of this strap, you've also got two silicone beads that's going to help keep this in place when you're putting this on your helmet. Now, the last thing that we've got to talk about is the way you change these lenses. Now, that's one big thing. They talk about a quick replacement system. And I will tell you, it's not as quick and seamless as Fox's View system or the Oakley air brakes or the 100%, but it is quite easy to use because of this flexible frame. To start off with, if you're going to be removing it, you're going to grab onto the top and bottom of this goggle and you're going to pull that apart. It's going to allow you to pull this lens out of this frame nice and easy. And you're going to notice there's grooves that are cut in the lens as well as grooves that are cut into the frame. Now, when it comes to putting it back in, again, this is nice and easy because of the flexibility of this frame. But you're going to start on one end and push the left side all the way in. And then I work across the top, lining up those grooves in the lens with the grooves in the frame. And I'll work along the top edge until I get to this other end, the right side as you will, and I'll push that in. Now, to finish off this lens install, we're gonna work from one side to the other, lining up this lens in this frame and then squeezing it together. Again, pretty easy to do because of the flexibility of this frame. Easier than some, not as easy as others, but overall, they did a great job of making sure this goggle was gonna be easy to live with. If you're looking for a great premium goggle that's going to give you an injection molded lens and a custom feeling fit in your helmet, this Fly Zone Elite goggle is definitely one that you need to check out. To get yours, go ahead and click on the link below. And as always, if you're looking for your place to get ready, Rocky Mountain's the place to be. I'm Trent. Thanks so much for watching.